Solo, Mamintio.
Asante Kotoko against Heart of Lions. Asante Kotoko against Heart of Lions. Frederick Asare in a post mo. Augustine Japan, John Tedeku, Henry Ainsu, Yusuf, Nuruddin, Sharif Mohammed, Bernard Somua, Shadrach Ado, Ziggy, Infege, and Afi Dramana. How many players start here against Heart of Lions?
Okay.
Now, out of that team, Frederick Asare, Japan, Tedeku, Infege, and Sharif were the only players na Omuwo Kotoko previous setup no mu. So out of the 11 no, almost 5 players and 6 players were entirely new to the Kotoko family and our system no.
Okay. Now
against Baby Gold Stars, Frederick Asare, Augustine Japan, John Tedeku, Henry Ansu, Nuruddin Mohammed, Andrews Inti Menu, Michael Chedramana, Shadrach Ado, Stephen Mokwala, Carlo Watara, and Alfred Georges Infege. Enti Infege, Mokwala, Shadrach Ado, John Tedeku, Augustine Japan, and Alfred Frederick Asare. And also 5 players were from the previous Asante Kotoko season. Omoboye, just last season, team no more. So, and also 6 out of the 11 were entirely new players. Now look. Say Asante Kotoko build the team. Obi a wahwe Prosperity Ogum ni team na or the G League, you know. John Tedeku was not part. Frederick Asare was not part. Team or the G League, you know.
Yeah.
Frederick Asare was not part. And Mukwala was not part. And coach in the bar, you know. And also about beto a new team. And Odi ebiabe ka ho na oye dey ono so ehhehye but say Usha Prosperity Ogum ni teams are we coaching from Dwarfs to Wafa to Asante Kotoko. Prosperity Ogum is known to be a possessive coach or dominating possession. Now we creating chances. Look, Kotoko are not dominating possession, they are not creating chances. You are playing against Gold Stars. You are playing against Heart of Lions. Especially Heart of Lions have been for so many years on board Ghana Premier League in
yeah.
It's about Premier League in who are Premier League in especially playing at home at the Babea Sports Stadium. And was a winner, much confidence in winning that game. Heart of Lions had more opportunities to win the game than Asante Kotoko not over home.
Okay.
Against Gold Stars by Premier League on share Kotoko da. The first time, Obi Amunya akolano kwaye ohonum Isaac Oponema.
Yeah.
He share a beautiful goal. Last season, Kotoko Gold Stars, yeah, we mistakes are referees ni yeah. Player ball Gold Stars, ball Gold Stars player answer. Emi ye penalty di Asante Kotoko. And you with the controversies are ACC or that particular game no more. Eventually, game no end in a draw. 1-1 draw. Enti ewo baby any Kotoko have had very good results. Enti in such a game I was say we a coach ultimate play strategy say enya win krana at least I was say Kotoko show say omo Asante Kotoko. But the game no from the blast of the whistle to the end Kotoko Gold Stars dominating game no share Kotoko and they won fairly. There were even controversies about a goaler Gold Stars say yeah referee no ruling out. So it is not as if say Kotoko ball very nice football dominating and now creating. Carlo Watara money I do no they are not creating chances for them because coach now so relentant on players not the buy but again in a Kotoko any Kotoko team here set it up piano there is one playmaker in the team. You don't ball a static midfield because the midfield is mechanical. Jamana static. Midfielder number 4 no. Sharif Mohammed static robust.
Na Baba Yaya no didn't buy.
Omobi.
Okay.
Baba Yaya no Mobi. About 10 minutes. And come on. Eric says there's The last Premier League, last season, he was one of the creative engines of Asante Kotoko.
Yeah.
And to say, oh, call a game like this, we hear that ball carrying midfielders, and yet those static midfielders, no. And so, coach, you know, I'm from. I realize they say football, no, a rules any a debo baller, a behano. Now we talk about him deciding say, obe pam, majority of players, you know, ako. And the same situation with the Chelsea. You don't start winning when you have an entire team, a new look team. You make sure say your team no in a way you're comfortable with. Now I'm ponsane maso ko do before Prosperity Ogum eba ye no. Obi enim players na I'm ponsa and then the management no together with maso ko do atoba Asante Kotoko. And the boys na Prosperity Ogum beto ye eka ho in the second season of the Ghana Premier League, you know, they had experienced players to play on their shoulders. And to Sharif Mohammed, the Mona Ombeka team, enjoy. They had Justice Blay, Richard Boudou as experienced midfielders. Omobenya, Ayamudasir Salifu as an experienced midfielder in midfield. And to Sharif Mohammed, no, or enjoying the home because there are a lot of experience to learn from. But, and then Okofa Zigiba. Why the most experienced player Ziggy no what fear for almost 3-4 years or more ball and who the never in the Heart of Lions game against Asante Kotoko no never starting as the striker when you main striker now who is Kakofa from Bekum Chelsea at the bench then what are you trying to see? And the coach you know should know say at Asante Kotoko and yet to say Wafa Kotoko to say Real Madrid Kotoko to say Barcelona. They are a team or result oriented.
Okay.
Now no question has to folk in it. I was there, has to folk in it, man. Me can has say I was not so much impressed with how to folk.
Okay.
Boy no my boy me anya me fe. But has created chance even though game no na and yet to say has here overly dominant. They considered a lot of chances and man if they were prolific up front they could have scored goals. But Heart a create chances. Who say at least Martino Scoopman and Sano Kakra or Juma, even though has team to see a new look. But you cannot say same for Asante Kotoko.
Okay.
Omo team pass 1, 2, 3 crowd together. The team looks disjointed from defense to midfield to attack. It looks like there are gaps in between the team. And so we a coach, these are supposed to be the biggest of your concerns, especially when you haven't met the Aduana, the Brekum Chelsea's, the Mediames, the Heart of Folks, you know. So when you share more at this stage, you build the confidence of the team with these matches. But say at the start of the season now, who share, virtually teams are more that much competitive, or more competitive because baby go start on Ghana Premier League. Heart of Lions on Ghana Premier League.
Okay.
And the teams from Ghana Premier League, when you share or more. This is the time I was say we build with team confidence. But if at this stage, Kotoko is languishing bottom of the Premier League, the last 3 of the Premier League, Kotoko come home with 1 point after 2 matches. I was a coach in here, baby, and say against Karela United, if he doesn't find the result, he doesn't grind the result, it's very, very difficult for him. And you know the kind of pressure and conformity at the coach, and these are the games. Certainly, you need to get the point.